In this series, I'm going to provide you with tools and my favorite coding websites to become a software engineer or break into tech. And the great part about it is 100% free. I'm Erica Mosley, the founder of Tech Nerds World, the place where people of color has a community, resources, and tips to maneuver into tech. If you're looking for tools that help you land six-figure jobs, you will love this series. So keep watching. The first tool I'm going to talk about is Code Academy. This is a free online platform that helps you learn JavaScript, HTML, SQL, Java. You can make a website with HTML, JavaScript, and Java, etc. You don't know where to start? Let's take a quiz. You have the opportunity to find out your programming personality. You can find out which careers, languages, and courses suit your personal interests and strengths best. And when they say languages, that's what we were talking about earlier. The JavaScript, the Python, the SQL, etc. Let's go ahead and start my programming personality. So these are the answers that I'm going to pick. I'm so interested to hear your answers and your results. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I prefer to spend time thinking about real life. I rather spend my time completing a puzzle, answering a question by using the internet, writing a story. Let's say answering a question by using the internet. When cleaning up, I always do one task at a time until I finish. Take breaks between each subtask. Take breaks. I would rather watch a thrilling action movie, a character driven drama, an insight documentary about how things are built. Let's pick that one. When I see a painting, I admire it for its beauty, consider what makes its beauty, consider what makes this painting popular and important, wonder what techniques a painter used to paint it. That's mine. When cooking a recipe, I follow the instructions precisely, look at the picture and wing it, taste as I go and adjust it. Taste as I go and adjust it. What sounds more like me? Look things up as I need answers to them, learn everything about one topic, knowing a high level summary of 10 topics. Look things up if I need answers to them. And I tend to see life through the lens of pictures, system, and stories. I would say systems. So let's see my results. Okay, to say I'm a problem solver, I'm logic, patience, communication, and attention to details. That's my strengths. Yes, it is. Here are some of the career opportunities: project strategy, business operations, electrical engineer, architect, and software engineer. So I can kind of pick between that. Um, these are the languages, the JavaScript. I could start with that, or I can start with like computer science, where we build a site of courses to teach you computer science concepts. Um, and see here, the average salary earns an average of $83,000. Okay, according to pay scale. So this is a little bit more about me. I'm a lot like a question asker, yes. Also like a user advocate, correct, as you can see, and a little like dot connector. Yes. So this is me, and this is basically um, the personality. I hope this helps. Stay tuned for the next free online course. Okay, so here's tool number two. It is called Free Code Academy. And you can learn to code for free, build projects, earn certificates. You can get it from Google, Microsoft, Spotify, Amazon.com. You can work at some of these jobs, right? And it is for free. The reason why I love Free Code Camp is because of the certificates, of course, and I can put this right on my resume. And as a recruiter, and if I'm seeking for software engineers, I see that you have a certificate. Yes, that goes a long way. So, as you guys remembered on Code Academy here, they said that I should be interested in JavaScript or computer science, right? I can do a web design, right? And get a certificate for that. Look at the JavaScript here. I can learn some back end as well. And the reason why I really love this is because I can learn machine learning with Python. And anyone that knows me knows that I love machine learning, and my favorite language is Python. So I would advise anyone to start with Python, but that's a personal opinion. Again, get started. It is for free. Stay tuned for tool number 3. All right, guys, here's is the third tool, W3 Schools. And when I say this is one of my favorite online coding classes, this is one of my favorite ones. And the reason why I say this is because it's super easy to read. And when I began learning how to code, I was using this website, okay, daily. Look, it shows you HTML, the language for building websites, so you can have an understanding. And maybe I should do a course about these different languages and what they mean, etc. But like W2 Schools actually breaks that down. HTML and like the examples, and you can do it yourself. Try it yourself. Look, you got the header one, the paragraph, the body, the HTML. You close it here. You got the CSS, the language for styling the websites. Um, right, and then you can do the example. You want your color, the header one. I want it to be white. The center is going to be white. The paragraph, the fonts, as well. And I can try it myself. The JavaScript, the languages for programming web pages. Um, I remember earlier in the video it said that maybe I should be interested in JavaScript, right? So I could just do some examples here. And Python, one of my favorite languages, because you can use Python in machine learning. FYI, everybody knows that I love machine learning. Um, so Python here, you can try that if 5 is greater than 2. Print 5 is greater than 2. You can try it yourself. You can do if, uh, 10 is greater than 2. Print out. Hi, Erica. Wonderful. Excuse me here, SQL, our language for accessing databases. So I would say try W2 Schools. I love W2 Schools as well. You can do your free website. And to wrap this down, HTML, you got the CSS, JavaScript, and then all these three right here is consists of the website here. And then you have the Python, which I love. So you can decide what language you desire. The PHP, jQuery, Java, C++, W3.CSS, right? Bootstrap, look, Bootstrap. So I get excited. Look at all these other languages. You can understand what each language means. Go is really popular right now. Machine learning, artificial intelligence. Look how excited I get, right? So there's no excuse for you to try to figure out what languages mean, how to get started as well. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. I also put up opportunities. So you want to make sure that you subscribe and get those opportunities as well. Just click the subscribe button below. Also, if you want exclusive tech resources, right, that is only open to my subscribers, head over to Tech Nerds World and hop on the newsletter. It is for free, okay? Now, I want to see your results. It's your turn. Which languages from today's video are you going to try? Are you going to start off with JavaScript? Are you going to start off with Java, Python, or both, right? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now.